Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today is another makeup tutorial. I wanted to do something really like classic and glam, so I came up with this look today. It's like your standard black smoky eye but with a little bit of gold and stuff involved, so it's just like a little bit different. So if you'd like to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching, and if you do enjoy it, please let me know down below. Like, comment, subscribe, the usuals, and yeah, we'll get into the video. Right, so to start off this look, I just took the Collection 2000 Lasting Colour Gel Eyeliner. This is just like a black gel liner. I prefer using a gel liner or like a gel colour just because they're more pigmented and they are longer lasting than like an eyeshadow, but I will go over with an eyeshadow afterwards. So yeah, I'm just going to put this all over my lid.
So hello, don't you know?
And as you can see, it doesn't need to be perfect or anything because we're going to go in and blend it out now. So to blend out that shade, I'm going to take the Morphe 3502 palette and I'm going to take the black in that palette. This shade is called Wiz, and I'm going to use that just to set that black gel liner down, but also to like blend it out as well. Just makes it easier to blend into the other colours we're going to use. I am just going to take a little bit at a time, just because when you're working with black you have to be really careful, because like basically if you mess up, there's no going back. Like you can't fix it, or it's harder to fix it, shall we say.
I'm living in shadow, don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold.
And then once that's looking like that, I'm going to go into some of the darker shades. What's this one called? I'm going to go into the shade Brunette, which is like this burgundy brown. But I'm going to take some of the other burgundy shades in the palette as well, just to create like that sort of blending shade, if that makes sense. Because I think when it's just stark black, it sometimes looks a little bit too harsh. So I like to take like burgundy shades through the crease just to warm up the look.
Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
And then I'm going to take some of the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm just going to use this to cut out where we've put that glitter liner on the other eye, just because I think when you just go straight on with a glitter liner, like it's not as pigmented and it just doesn't stand out as much. So I'm just going to take some concealer and go and like do the line first and then go over with the glitter. That was a bit of a mouthful, wasn't it?
Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh.
And then I'm just going to take the Collections Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Eyeliner, whatever it's called, and this is in the shade Funk 3, and I'm just gonna do the glitter liner.
They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I
And then I'm just going to fix that up with some black eyeshadow so it looks nice and straight. And then I'm going to go back in with the gold glitter and, you know, just fix it up until I'm happy with what it looks like.
I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
I'm then going to go back into the Collections eyeliner and I'm just going to run this on my waterline.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
And then I'm going to go back into that black shade from the Morphe palette and I'm just going to blend, I'm just going to blend the eyeliner with that black shade. And then just like I did on the top, I'm going to go into them brownie reddy shades and use them to smoke out that black. And then I'm just taking the Collection Volumizer Mascara and applying a few coats to my lashes. For my inner corner highlight, I'm just going to take this gold shade from the Morphe palette. This is in the shade... Oh, I've lost the name shade. Doesn't matter. It's quite gold, but I think this look has got like the gold in it. So I just think it looks really nice rather than like a white one, which is what I normally go for. And then the lashes I'm going to use are the Olivia Bell Kimmy lashes. They're super big and long and that's just what you need when you're doing a super smoky look like this one.
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow.
And then for my brow bone highlight, I'm just going to use the Mary Luminizer by V Balm because it's like a nice light gold shade.
Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's.
So they are the eyes done. I'm going to go and do the rest of my face off camera so everything kind of looks somewhat cohesive, and then I will be back to show you guys the finished look.
Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold.
So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please let me know down below, like, and please do comment and subscribe, and please watch some of my other videos as well because that will be highly appreciated. If you enjoyed this one, you may enjoy another one. And yeah, thank you once again for watching and I'll see you very soon. Thanks everyone. Bye.
Yes, I did.